Hey yo traders, welcome back to another new YouTube video guys. I'm still in Dubai and I want to show you something about forex strategy. I know most of you guys are suffering and struggling with forex strategies, but for you to have an edge of a forex strategy, let's say price action or ICT, you have to have backtested it on more than 1,000 trades. Most of you guys will get challenges and you only backtest for only, probably you backtest only on 2 trades, 3 trades, and you want to apply it on the live account. Yeah, that is very impossible. Today I want to show you something. This is 2024. I'm going to show you a chart on Euro JPY. I use price action and I'm going to show you what price action really means, because most of you guys don't understand what price action, what it really means. But let me jump onto my computer right here and show you something, what they call the forex strategy, what it takes, how much patience you need to have, what you need to see. These are things that I've seen for quite a period of time and now I have an edge over them. Guys, let's jump into the video. I'm still in Dubai. So traders, when we talk about price action is basically the strategy that I'm using. Price action. Under price action, we're just using technical tools. You just analyze your chart. You can use trend lines, so that you can that can help you know how price is going to move and how is price reacting. Then under price action, always the easiest way is to understand price action is if you are trading also market structure. Market structure has 3 components: the uptrend market, downtrend market, and then the sideways market. You can also add the consolidation market. This is my chart. This is my Euro JPY chart. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that I posted this chart. Literally the same chart before price reached this upper line right here, which is our red line. This one right here. Before price reached here. But obviously I knew price was coming to reach this zone right here. And I was waiting for a reaction of this zone. I was either waiting for price to break this zone, retest it and continue to go to the upper side, or react the same way price has done right here and then keep on dropping to the downside, guys. As simple as that. So let me tell you, first of all, when you look at price action here, obviously price came dropping down in a downtrend form. You see, guys, look at how price comes dropping. You see, it approaches this zone right here, which is a psychological zone, not just a psychological zone, but when you see here, you can see here turning point. You see, guys, now price bounces off, but how did I know? Obviously you can see we had a falling wedge. The falling wedge is a visual pattern to the upper side. So how do I take my trend? I wait for price to break this zone right here, but not just break this zone right here, but also break this previous lower high, so that I can know that price is going to reverse and go back to the upper side. Now when price is coming back to the upper side, it gives us what we call higher highs and higher lows. You can see, so we have here a higher high, then this is a high low, and remember guys, anytime when you are trading the forex market, you only want to buy after price has broken your resistance line and then it has retested it. So whenever price comes back to retest after resistance has been broken, it becomes support. So you can see this is our zone right here, which is our new support. So I took my trade, targeting this high here, as you can see. But again, price approached up this zone right here. Now my main thing was like, if price approaches this zone right here, I want to expect 2 things: either price has to break and retest and go back to the upper side, or I want to see price drop really down here. Now I want you to notice, traders, when price was pushing back to the upper side, it left this fair value gap, and you can see how I drew this. You can see definitely how I drew this, guys. You see, this is called fair value gap. Fair value gap can act as liquidity. It's insufficient price action. It's always that gap in the market that has not yet been filled, and it will be filled. So this is the fair value gap you can see here, right here. So what you want to do is mark it out. And also fair value gap is really good when you see 3 big candles. 3 big candles, that is good fair value gap, you see. So meaning even this zone right here, from down here, this is what we call a demand zone. So a demand zone is any zone in the forex market that causes an upside move to the upper side. So meaning price has to really come back up, hit down here. So now you see, I have so many reasons why I know price will come back down here. Obviously, I'm not going to trade my own things. I'm going to trade what price gives me. Now, what does price give me? So look here, guys. Price had to break this zone right here, which was acting as our new support zone right here. So you can see, guys, price breaks this support zone right here in a beautiful way. Support is broken. So anyone who take here trade, you can see how price didn't really reverse to go back to the other side. But most of the time, to be on the safe side, you want to take your trade when price breaks and then it comes back for the retest. So you can see price breaks right here, pushes back down here, you see, and then after it goes back to to our zone right here, you see. Now here we always want to look out for candlesticks that tell that price is really reversing. And what candlestick do we have here? We have a pin bar. A pin bar is we have a bearish pin bar. A bearish pin bar is a reversal pattern to the downside. It always tells you that price is going to reverse and go back to the downside, you see. So after this candle right here, some people can definitely take trade on this other one. Some people can definitely take trade on this other one. But I always decide to take trade when I see the pin. But obviously now here I already have my confirmation price is going to drop. This is all rejection, you see, trader. So I take my trade on this other candle, putting my stop loss just above right here, and then putting my take profit right here. Or I can decide to use this fair value gap as my take profit. And obviously price is going to fill up this fair value gap right here. You see, this is guys. But you had to wait until price, play out this way. You see, because first of all, again, as I told you, I waited for this trade to push up here, took out my profits, then it started consolidating. So you see this right here, this is something I can't understand. I can't trade that. How do you force your way in here? You see all these news events. You don't force your way in here, guys. So you wait until price gives you something there. Let price break your support zone. That is something I can understand, guys. So if you're looking for the holy grail, guys, price action. Price action is the holy grail, guys. And also, guys, if you want to always understand when these news events are going to drop, make sure to always check Fast Bull. So this is my Fast Bull platform, you can see. So when you come to Fast Bull, there's so many things. There's news, AI, signals, analysis. We have 24/7 news events that are happening, and also economic calendar, guys. The most important thing for me here is the economic calendar and the news events. These are things that I have to check on a daily basis so that I can be updated. You can't be trading this forex market without having these guys. So as you can see, guys, so if you want to use the economic calendar, you can see it. So this economic calendar has very volatile news, less volatile, and more volatile news, guys. So meaning when you see these news that have 3 stars, meaning those are very volatile. So if you want to screen here, you come here, screen. So you can select then more, and then you can select here. If you select 1 star, they're going to bring for you less volatile news. Then 1 star, then also 2 stars, then you have the red ones. The red ones, those are the ones that are going to, where we're going to have only high volatile news things. And then after I modify, then here I'm just going to have these news events. And also they'll show you here the impact. You can see. So here the impact. Here you have the actual forecast and the previous. Then here they'll show the impact on which currency pairs is this news event going to affect. So you can see here, if this news event, this is Switzerland CPI, then so if the New Zealand CPI drops tomorrow, then it is going to affect USD CHF, gold, US dollar, also oil, also even silver. So you can see, guys, this is the economic calendar by Fast Bull, guys. Make sure to get your accounts right now for Fast Bull, guys, and save yourself. Most of you guys lose money because you don't know what fundamental analysis is. Check your economic calendar, know these events. Most of the times, these events can sometimes align with your analysis. But most of the times, you guys, you trade without this analysis, guys. So let's jump back to our Euro JPY, guys. So again, traders, price action is very easy. Price action is very easy. Try to read price. Trade things that you understand, guys. This year, this year has to be different from last year. Last year, even me myself, sometimes I'm forced to force trades, But this year, I'm not forcing anything. I'm only trading things that I understand. Anything I can't understand, I'm not trading it, guys. Price action is very simple. Draw your zones in the forex market. Let price come to there. As simple as that, guys. So if you've enjoyed this video, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next